They are conservative. Who doesn't know what Heritage is for America? Who does not know? Okay, I don't have to say anything. Obviously, you know who it is. Anyways, they will be here in August. We're thinking of having Frank Ryan again, so please bring some other people. Now, I got a question for anybody out here. Who's technically savvy on a computer? Come on, somebody's got to raise their hand. Nobody? Who?
Hey, Jim. No.
Oh! Well, how would you like the job? The pay stinks, the pension doesn't exist, and you get to give up about 3-4 hours a week of your time. Okay, all eyes are looking at you. I'll talk to you afterwards. Anyways, again, membership, please see Linda back there. Paul Panapinto, his table's back there. Wave your hand. Okay. He needs petition signed. Please stop by there. Sam, you have something to say? Come on.
Hi, folks. Well, that certainly was a great discussion tonight, great panel. I personally want to thank Larry, Ryan, and Dawn. No matter what side of the aisle you were on, you had to pick up some information. So I appreciate that you came here. I also want to thank Judy and her committee for putting this event on. Folks, we need your help. It takes a lot of work to put these events on. And we certainly hope that some of you will volunteer and help us with our future events that we do have. See myself or one of the others board members here. Jim did mention about our next meeting, but I'd just like to add to that. It's going to be Betsy Nelson. She's going to be a feature speaker. Betsy is with the Heritage Action, was affiliate of the well-known Heritage Foundation. She will be upgrading us on legislating that is their current focus, which is Transportation Empowerment Act, TEA. The TEA, if enacted, would transfer almost all authority over federal highway and transit programs to the states over a 5-year period and lower the federal gas tax 3.7% from the 18.5% that we have now. Betsy also will reveal scorecards of the Pennsylvania legislators. That's going to be our July meeting. August meeting. A lot of you, I'm sure, know Frank Ryan. Who is Frank Ryan? Frank Ryan is a retired colonel, USMCR, Iraq veteran, a physical conservative, CPA, devout Catholic, dad to 4, grandson to 4, and much more. He also walked 2,826 miles from San Diego, California to Maryland. Frank Ryan will speak about the political financial future, what effect that might have on us. Frank is a very interesting person. You don't want to miss this meeting. I had to rush through this because of time constraints. Hope to see you at both of the meetings. Thank you very much, and have a safe trip home.
Now, again, the Paul Panapinto petition's in the back, and Randy, would you please close us in prayer?
So we all rise, be dismissed. It's interesting. It's interesting how the verse from 1 Chronicles 12:32, people with understanding of the times. I hope you have some insight into what the educational system really looks like and where we're heading. Because the educational system does not have any God in it. Not the God that I know from heaven. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this evening. We thank you for the insight that you may have shown us. We pray most earnestly for understanding of the times. And we do ask for travel mercies home this evening and do bless this organization. Thank you. You're dismissed.
One good announcement, there's no hot dogs left, so if you're waiting for one, sorry. We made a deal with Jim, if he doesn't sell them, we're going to force feed them to him.